Someone else likes Hot Pockets.
Okay. We were grocery shopping, and then I realized that we weren't going to have time to go home, put the groceries away before we had to make it to an open house, because it is quite a ways from where we currently live. So the best option was to do a grocery haul right in the car. And then I'm like, okay, well, let's make it a little bit better. Let's go to the park and do it. So you're getting my grocery haul at the park. So we're gonna start off with Target. I got some bathroom wipes, multi-pack of 4. I believe this was like $6.59. There was 5% in the cartwheel. And then I had to get the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice Scents. I got the all-purpose cleaner and the dish soap. I think these were like $3.99. No special on that, but everything at Target, I use my red card, so at the register I get an extra 5% off. And then these were, I don't want to say on sale, but it was cheaper than usual. Target had it for $4.99, so I guess that would be considered a sale for Target. And then they have their sour creams, their little ones, for 99 cents. And then the Chobani I got for free because I had a $1.25 off 2 coupon from 811 Smart Source. Yeah. So these look really good. Chocolate Greek yogurt with hazelnut butter and vanilla Greek yogurt with cashew butter. And I actually ended up getting these for free because I used the coupon, so that took care of one. And then in Savings Star right now, they have the rebate, $1.25 off of 2. So free yogurt. These were $2. Chocolate brownie licious. I might have already bought this, I'm not sure, but I figured $2 is pretty good for AJ to try. The last time I bought these at Target, AJ stole them on me, so I didn't get them. This was $1.99. This is the assorted Swedish fish, and Target is the only place I know that carries these. They have 3 kinds. The third one is pepperoni, but AJ don't do that, so I got the turkey one and the Philly cheesesteak, and these are regular $4, but he absolutely loves them. By now you would have seen my all-day haul, and I ended up getting their brand of Chef Boyardee. I got the I forgot which one it was, the beefaroni, I think. No, so I did eat it, but I got a lasagna one this time, and 99 cents at Target. All right, moving on to the second store I shopped at was Shaw's. I just got some white cheddar cheese. I got a half a pound of that, and then their Hot Pockets were on sale this week for $1.88, so I stocked up. If Denny just wants to zoom in, I won't name them all, but you can go ahead and get a closer look at them. All right, and as far as the Hot Pockets, these are new, which I'm pretty excited about. This one, I don't know, it has peppers in it, so I don't know how he's gonna feel about this one, but there is Sharice egg and cheese and steak egg and cheese. They're $2.99 regular at Shaw's. So after I cashed out, I always check my receipt, always. I was already in the car, and I realized that these rang up at $2.99. Now these are regular $2.99, so I should have gotten these on sale for $1.88 also, and it did not ring up. So I went back in and went to the customer service and explained to them that these are regular price, just like those. They're Hot Pocket brand, just like those, but I didn't get it on sale. They implement that if you cash out and something didn't ring up the price that they're advertising, you get it absolutely free. So I ended up getting back $2.99 for this one, $2.99 for this one. So I basically got these for free, so it was almost worth it not ringing up. And then these were on sale for $3.99. I got this for Mom, but interesting, loaded baked potato. It's filled with potato, cheeses, blended cheeses, and bits of bacon, so hopefully Mom likes that. And then I could have sworn I seen a sale tag $2.99 for these, but they rang up $3.99, but whatever, I just let it go because I wasn't sure. The $2.99 could have been for something else. It probably wasn't, and It didn't ring up, and I could have probably gotten this for free too. But hey, you know, I let it go. And then I got a cabbage, 69 cents a pound, and some salt and vinegar chips because AJ requested some the other day, and my child has been with me 19 years. Never remembered him ever liking salt and vinegar chips, but there you have it. And the family size was on sale for $1.99 a bag. I thought that was a pretty good deal. Yesterday I went to Stop and Shop for my mom, and they had their brand of water, 24 pack for $1.99, so I grabbed that. And then they also had advertised in their ad that center cut pork chops were $1.99, but the price tag said $1.69. So I don't know if that was a mess up and I actually did pay $1.99 a pound, or the ad was a mess up and they were actually $1.69 a pound. Either price is good, so I got a package. If you liked Grocery Haul at the Park, give me a thumbs up. Check out some more Live the Life You Love videos on the end screen. Hi. This particular property has an in-law suite. Here's the bathroom. We're downstairs. That's the bathroom. Kitchen. Cute window. And this would be like the living space. And through there is storage and laundry area. And you can do like a little desk area here like they did. And then there's the entrance to the basement. And then there's a bedroom down here. Paneling's gross, but decent space. Really nice. You know, for like an older child that's still with you. Or, you know, an in-law. There's a fireplace.